Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yulia. On my channel, we talk about self-love, self-care, self-realization, dating, modern day dating, romance, relationships, marriage, everything that is near and dear to your heart. And if you're returning to my channel, thank you so much for coming back. We welcome any subscribers ever, period. So I am very happy that you're here. Today, I want to talk to you about 6 things that you could do to promote self-love for yourself, certain things that you can do to take care of yourself on a daily basis to be the best you can be. All right, so if you want to learn about 6 things that you can do right now to take care of yourself better and to honor yourself better, keep on watching. So the first way you can honor yourself, love yourself, and care for yourself is meditation. If you have any friends that meditate, they will tell you how much more improved their mood became, how more elevated they just became as a human being. Meditation is very important. It's just 2 to 5 minutes out of your day just to sit calmly with yourself. Take a breath before the hustle and bustle of your entire day. Everybody has work and stress factors and traffic, and sometimes you just need 5 seconds without white noise just to calm down and prepare yourself for the day. And there are many ways you can meditate, many meditation practices, many ways you can do it. You can do guided meditations where a certain voice guides you through what to do and how to breathe. I suggest those first if you're just starting out, just because it teaches you the technique of breathing. There are also meditations with just like very nice nature sounds. Think of it as like a white noise machine when you go to sleep. It just gives you like a nice Zen state, if you will. And there's also meditations that are just quietly silent meditations for you. I prefer those where I just silently sit with myself and check in and calm down and prepare for the day and before I go to sleep. So a second way you can take care of yourself, honor yourself, and show a little tender love and care for yourself is beauty related. Definitely do not underestimate the beauty of bath. If you've ever taken a bath with bubbles and a bath bomb and some salt, it's the most relaxing, most amazing thing you can do for your body, mind, and soul. Take a glass of wine with you or tea, take a book with you or your favorite TV show, and just put a mask on and just relax in a bath for at least 10 minutes. It is so good on your muscles. It's incredible for just being zen, and it's a very nice quiet time with yourself. So a third way you can take care of yourself, honor yourself, and give a little TLC to yourself is working out. I know everybody hates it. It's so hard. It is, you never feel like it, but guess what? All the things that are worth doing, you're never gonna feel like. But it's very important to have an active lifestyle. If it's a walk at night with your dog, if it's a run, if it's just a walk around the block of your area, it doesn't have to be a gym. Sometimes I found for myself the best way I can activate myself and motivate myself is to go to group classes like hot yoga, regular yoga, Pilates, any like boot camps, Orange Theory, certain things like that. When the group in the class setting, it kind of motivates you and pushes you to go a little further because, you know, mama didn't raise no quitter, obviously. So try to have at least 10 to 20 minutes of workout or activity or like your body moving in a day, and you will be so surprised by how well your body will adjust to it. And fourth way you can take care of yourself and love yourself and honor yourself is make a meal for yourself. It's so hard to cook when we live in such a fast-paced environment, and especially if you live by yourself just like I do, it's really hard to make an elaborate dinner just for yourself just because you feel like, why would I? It's much easier to go to fast food or a restaurant or go out. But if you want to, if you learn how to cook for yourself or make a meal, just one meal, to honor yourself and love yourself and just show yourself that you appreciate all the hard work you do, it's gonna be an incredible improvement, because not only it's gonna save you money on going out and eating, which is, it can be racking up to thousands of dollars a month, but it can also be like a cool trick when somebody comes over to your house and you can just whip something up. So grab the pots and pans, grab all the ingredients, find the coolest recipe online that you wanted to learn how to do all the time. And again, YouTube is a community where they can teach you to cook anything. They can teach you to do anything. So why are we spending thousands of dollars on going out? Make a meal for yourself and take care of your body. You will love me for it. A fifth way you can take care of yourself, honor yourself, and give a little tender love and care is, of course, kind of relates back to number 4, learn a new skill. Just learn something new. We are people that constantly crave to grow and learn. I hope you are. I certainly am. So learn a new skill. Again, YouTube is a vast space to learn any new skill that you ever tried to learn. Have you ever wanted to take up painting? Great, there's a YouTube tutorial on it. Have you ever wanted to learn how to macrame? Go for it. Try painting. You don't have to be great at it. You don't have to be even good at it. You can just do it and have fun doing it. So pick up a new skill. It's a great conversation starter if you, let's say, meet new people or go out with your friends or go out dating on dates. It's a great way to start a conversation, having a common ground of learning a new thing. So learn a new thing. And the last but not least, 6th way of taking care of yourself, honoring yourself, and loving yourself is learning how to say no. I know it's easier said than done, but trust me, all the hard work is gonna pay off. Have you ever had that moment when your friend knew that you will say yes to anything because you just have a hard time saying no, and it's your friend and you can't really afford to help them, but you still are just because you're a good friend? I honor you for being a great friend and I celebrate you for being a great friend, but you know who you're not a great friend to? Yourself. So please learn how to say no to certain things that will make you feel worse about yourself or take away the time that you could have had for yourself to unwind and relax. Just learn how to say no. Small little things is all that matters. Just small tiny changes. Let's say if your coworkers invited you to a party and you don't even like the coworker, you don't really care about the party, you don't want to go out, you don't want to drive down to downtown, find parking, pay for drinks. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to be an asshole about it, but you can just say no thank you, I don't have time, or I have prior commitments. Because guess what, the commitment to yourself is the most important one. So learn how to say no.